I'm Cillian. Welcome to my art channel. In this video, I show you how to draw an easy, step-by-step picture of a sea turtle. Enjoy! So here will be the basic outline of our sea turtle. He's in a sort of three-quarter position, so we can't see the whole entire thing. But we do see the two flippers, the head, and most of the body. And now we'll pencil in all of these small details, like every individual patch that covers the head, the flippers, and the back. Some of them look like tiles evenly spaced, other ones are more randomly bunched together. And of course the ones on the back and sides are larger. And here goes the other flipper. And now we can start with the color. So some of these were more darker orangey brown. So I started off with a dark brown and gave it even coverage over wherever I saw brown in my reference photo. You see that the ones here in the front on the left flipper I did lighter, since those had a more orangey look. They were more in the light. And the very top was definitely more orange, so I started off with an orange-brown color to begin with. And as usual, working with colored pencils means layering after layer, just adding one on top of the next until you get to the desired shade of color that you're looking for. This area between the neck and the flipper and the shell is sort of wrinkly. It looks like a cross-hatching. I'm just using here different shades of brown and different shades of orange. And yes, it was tedious. So here you see I'm emphasizing more in the front the orange color. And on the very body of the sea turtle, on the bottom part, it is darker. On the top it's lighter. So you see that as well. And here we go with a brighter orange. If you didn't know, the difference between turtle and tortoise is land and sea. So a land animal is called a tortoise, and the sea creature is called the turtle. Most people, I think, confuse the two. So here I'm working with a lighter yellow-orange and with light green. Those areas underneath. And once you have enough layers of color, you can take a white pencil and you can blend those. Here I went with a yellowish green and emphasized around each separate patch. And you can see that shadowing there where the flipper is turned. And once again re-emphasizing each patch since they do stand out very much by themselves. And you can see how adding layer upon layer makes the colors come out brighter and stronger. Which would not be achieved by just putting in one layer of orange to begin with. Well, this guy looks ready to swim. We'll just give him some wrinkles around his eyes. And using our handy mechanical eraser, take away some of those lines that are a little too dark. Add some highlights. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. It was fun to make. Check out my other animal videos. And have a great day.